Yo, chat, we're back again, bro. Fucking hell. So, back again. I'm a little late for pick up my brethren right now, so, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, chat, slide whipping. Fuck! Yeah, chaw, man. Yeah, guys, I'm going to pick up my brethren right now. I told him 9:45 is fucking 20 past 10. Fucking hell! Fucking hell! Yo, tires me. So I'm gonna have to back the fuck up. Yo, sorry for all the bad words, guys. I mean, no since when funny vocabulary. I've been so much French, you check. Jeez. Let's pull up another beast, you know? Truck one real wash down, man. I don't wash this down right now, boy, cause well, I'm gonna wash them now, but I'm pissed my wash them, boy, cause this is out of hands reach. There's too much of dirt for me, boy. I have to use toothbrush and all that kind of something. If you look sharp, me just throw the truck in the washing. Throw the truck in the washing. Oh, that dog, they cramp my style right now. Bam, doggy. Yeah? Bam. Yo, hush him. Yo, hush him up, boy.
Yeah, it came out the car. It's just pretty and nice.
Yeah.
And what you do, you put you know, fully calculated with the stock fucking plug. If me and Shakwa and take out the plug. Yeah.
True.
And the same start when you type in a code. Literally say K20. Claims that it's supposed to come on a lifetime.
That is not Ben.
Should what? The fuck you hide at me? You can't go hide at me.
It looks like so. Well, I can't see it long.
Yeah, you look. Turn up for light. See?
I'm moving on. Alright.
Rockstar life and dying in the pit, dog. Pint by pint, take another sip, dog. Shotty acting trite for the night, you pissed off. My side got a sight, niggas bright, I'm pissed off. One stop flight, power of my fist.
So yeah, guys, K24A2, K20A, Type R, K20 that is. So we're gonna do a Frankenstein build. You know what I mean? So K20 head on top of the K24 block. So this project is gonna do real soon. I think is a stage 2 clutch on this one. I think this one's a stage 2 clutch as well too. They look like the same flywheels. Oh no, this flywheel is like fucking hell. No, this flywheel is lighter than this one over here, so I think I'm gonna go with a heavier one. Someone told me to go with a heavier flywheel, you know. But yeah, guys, I'm getting there, man. I haven't vlogging for a while because I didn't have any content to post, so Yeah, I'm just dropping this short vlog today to let y'all know what's up. So yeah, guys, progress. You know, this is what Charman has been up to.
Rockstar life and dying in the pit, dog. Pint by pint, take another sip, dog. Shotty acting trite for the night, you pissed off. My side got a sight, niggas bite, I'm pissed off. One stop flight, power of my fist, dog. First stop, pop it, tell it, check my wrist, dog. This a first time shopping with a check, I'm lit, dog. FaceTime sex, trying to take the risks off. Playing with a check, niggas take the first off. I'm playing with a check, I got no change on me. Can't give a 50 cent, I raising canes on me. I work tight, less can get a thing on me. It's work size, how can't get a thing on me. I'm marking the distance, it's Notre Dame on me. Yeah, I'm keeping my distance, they say I change on me. Rockstar life and dying in the pit, dog. Pint by pint, take another sip, dog. Shotty acting trite for the night, you pissed off. My side got a sight, niggas bite, I'm pissed off. One stop flight, power of my fist, dog. First stop, pop it, tell it, check my wrist, dog. This a first time shopping with a check, I'm lit, dog.
Dude, Charman. Yo, this filter work wonders, bro. I'm want to shape up it back and back for his life. I want to shape up. Fuck me, the filter gone. Yo, where the filter be? Like that. Set my earring and them boys. Yo, walk on, bro. Yo, where the filter did, dog? Yo, Charman. Yeah, guys, back again. So just done work. I go on my work on the engine again. You know, I just reach the gym, say yo, I'm just banging some hours at the gym and go home and work on this engine, yo. Yeah, I just come inside the gym. Yeah, they hear like a creak in the bushes outside. You don't know as a YN, you check. Niggas would up the blick real quick, bro. Yeah, you check. It's a banging and like a workout. Yo, where the filter the boss? All them blemishes and so boss. Yeah, but there's a banging couple about 45 minutes at the gym. And then go and work on this engine, take off the head. And yeah, that's about it. So yeah, there's a banging some workout now, trying to workout. I can see the gains by December, you check. Yeah, while this on my nose, I'm out. Sweet mother of pearl. Bro, shit. How are you, guitar? Yo, what go on? Yeah, well, last night we tried to take off the head study, but I just say, tall, freak that. The check, but yo, them ain't tight. We deal with this right now. Yeah. Subscribe, like. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment. And on the post notification, ring that bell, ring that bell, ring that bell. The check is ring the bell, the check. But yeah, I appreciate everybody that reach out to me and tell me, yo, boss, when you drop the vlog? Overseas people too, when you dropping the vlogs, bro. Hey, check. Yo, me drop the vlog. Today. So if you're watching this today, just know he dropped today. If you drop on some other day, yo, anyway. But yeah, back at it. Yeah, just trust the process, guys. I get to cracking, you check. So 1 done loose, 2 done loose. Bro, yo, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more. Murderation. All kind of ration. But can't be no bitch. So yo, that egg there and that tuna there work. Woo! Bro. If we could only use an impact gun like this, done. Okay. Ah! A 10 was tight in this one now. Ah, so good. Woo! Okay, 6, okay, 6. So 4 more for me. I know, man. Knock my finger hard no little while. Yo, little more, me just put the engine and buy and send us. Somebody get an engine cheap today, you know, dog. Alright, guys, last one. I know how glad we be, right? If I only know how glad we be.
Yeah. Hey. Hey. Had to make some noodles before I smoke my black. We the original one-on-ones and we don't fuck with rats. Yeah, we having too much dope, but I still got a text. Why these niggas been getting dipped and try to steal my swag?
This is a Montreal.
I might roll a nigga up and put him in a pack. This bitch keep telling me she love me, but that's not a fact. Yeah, I just wiped her down, hit her with HX. I just wiped her down like my fucking plex. Hey, just a young nigga getting to that cash. Hey, I'm just a young nigga addicted to that bag. Hey, I'm just a young nigga. We some young niggas. Hey, he a young nigga. Yeah, we all young niggas. Yeah, just a young nigga and we having fun, nigga. Having fun, nigga. I could spend some with you. The world they call me bands, but my brothers call me billion. Cause in the end of the shit, I'm gon' run us up a trillion. Yeah, we having millions, put it in the casket ceiling. Yeah, bad bitch, she silly, wanna slurp me, suck a titty. Yeah, I like them ratchet hoes, but I love Sadiddy. Yeah, I ain't fucking with these niggas, nah, I ain't going like this.
This is a Montreality exclusive.
I ain't doing no kissing, hit her one time, make her miss it. She can't be my missus, I won't let her lean no hickey. Damn, these bitches wicked, try to set me up and trip me. I smashed her with my jeans on and I had my blick. Hey, had to make some noodles before I smoke my black. We the original one-on-ones and we don't fuck with rats. Yeah, we having too much dope, but I still got a text. Why these niggas been getting dipped and try to steal my swag?
I'm back in action, back with the vlogs. Y'all gonna get vlogs from me. I have stuff to do now to the car. Yeah, check. Hey, let me show y'all the car. It's been a while since y'all seen the car. Same it still. I haven't really done nothing much. I've gotten this shifter from one of my subscribers. Shout out Jemmy. Well, yo, he's the one that supplied me with the K20 engine. I'm also getting a gearbox too. You know, pretty good deal. Pretty good deal. He basically let me buy it on layaway. Yeah, check. So yeah. It's cool. This gave me about 2 months or 3 months and I scratched that in. Oh, spider web. Gave me about 2 or 3 months to get this back on the road, back at the track. You know what I mean? It's long overdue. I'm anxious. Miss ramming gears. It's gonna be turbocharged, so you don't know how that go. Yeah, man. Till the next vlog, guys. Ciao, man.